Hi again. Now we're going to try to finish this up. I'm making a composite layer out of all of them below. You see the difference here. Okay. Now again we're going to add another empty layer, and we are going to do this here. As you can see, I'm using the healing brush tool. Okay, I'm trying to keep the same pattern like we said before. We need to preserve the pattern because it's important to make it look as close to the original as possible. Okay, here let me see if we can do something with the healing brush. I think we are going to need to use the clone tool, but let me see. Okay, now we're going to use the clone tool, because if you use the healing brush tool you will have some little troubles, like this. I will make the brush as soft as possible, maybe over opacity. As you can see, I have a little spots here and there. I will not bother with those. You know the drill, you know how to fix them. I showed you before. I'm just not going to. I will fix them, yes, of course, for my own because this is my picture after all. I want to have it fully restored, so I will do it, but not right now during this course, because it will take too much time for you to watch, and I know it won't be so interesting to see it. Okay, we have the eye. Now what we can do is to copy a part of it. I will merge this down, and now I will copy this part here, like this. Okay, Control J to make this selected part in a separate layer. I'm going to move it here. Go to Image, Transform, Flip Horizontal, and now I'm going to try to match it on this side. I will reduce the opacity so it is easier for me to place it on the best position. This is going to be something like this. Okay, I will increase the opacity. Let me see. It's somewhere there. Not there. Okay. Okay. I will make it, I will hide it with black mask by pressing the Alt key and clicking on this icon here. I'm going to use a white brush with 100% opacity. It can be soft for now, and let me see what we will get here. I think the eye looks pretty okay with this new opaque part. Yes, sure it does. Now we need to fix some little parts here and there, like this. Okay. I will make another entry here. Use the clone tool. And I will sample from here, for example. Okay, let me see. As you can see, I'm sampling from this place. Okay, this doesn't look really good. It is the eyebrow. The eye is just fine. I'm gonna make another copy of the eyebrow alone, like this. Control J. I'll put this on top. I'll move it on this side. Edit, transform, click horizontal. I will make it a little more transparent, just to make it easier for me to put it on the best position. Like this. Okay, and I think that we are even keeping the same pattern over here. I will increase the opacity. Again, I will hide it with black layer mask, and I will paint with white color here. Let me see it from a bigger distance. Okay, this looks, it looks normal, it looks natural. It's not that. I'm gonna make it okay. I will make it darker here with another tool. I will use curves and a little bit like this, and I will make the mask black by Control and I, pressing the Control and I at the same time, and now I will paint here like this, with white color over the mask, that I will get the dark eyebrow as it was in the original. I will drop this just to see the before and after. Reduce the strength of these curves. Okay, this looks fine. So we got the eyes. I will ungroup them now. Now I'm going to try to fix this point here and a little bit about the texture here. I will use them. Actually, I can merge these layers like this. Now make a new empty layer. Now I'm going to sample from here somewhere. Okay, this is a little better now. I will do the same technique, use the same technique as we did with the eye. I will do it on the nose and on the lips, and as we in the previous video, I will not talk too much and I will just fast forward this part of the video so that you don't get bored with all this. Stay with me, just listen to the music. Okay, so we now got all the places fixed, at least the big damages, and in the next video I will try to smoothen out those transitions between the good and bad parts of the picture, like this places where there was a damage before. This here, 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 here on the chin, on the forehead, and so on. So see you in the next video.